my recording. Ms. Jackson has joined us. All right, today's date is October 4th, 2021. In Gray County, Texas, I call cause number, get it right, 37429 in the interest of Abian Germain Rodriguez. What says the state?
The state's ready, Your Honor.
Present by audio and video is Natalia Jackson. Are you ready, Ms. Jackson?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court's file reflects that Paul Rodriguez was served with notice of these proceedings back on August 10th of 2021. There has been no answer, nor has there been any appearance today on behalf of Mr. Rodriguez. This case was set for 1:30 and it's now approximately 1:45. You may proceed to default, Ms. Neal.
Yes, Your Honor. Lee Neal for the Office of Attorney General. First, I would like to enter as State's Exhibit 1 the financial records relating to this case.
Admitted as State's number 1.
Your Honor, we're requesting temporary orders in this case using the minimum wage presumption, and would request that we have another hearing at some point down the line so that we could make a better determination about Mr. Rodriguez's employment. And I would like to call Ms. Jackson as my witness.
All right, Ms. Jackson, would you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, you may proceed, Ms. Neal.
Can you state your name for the record?
Natalia Jackson.
And who is the child that's involved in this case today?
Abian Germain Rodriguez.
And how old is he?
He's 8.
Okay. And are you requesting that the court take a judgment in the amount of $16,466.91 as of September 31st of 2021 on the child support arrearage?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you requesting that payments be made at $100 per month beginning December 1st on that arrearage?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then as far as medical support, are you arrearage, are you requesting that the court take judgment in the amount of $1,053.19 as of September 31st of 2021?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you requesting that payments be made in the amount of $25 per month beginning December 1st?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you requesting that the court order you to apply for government health insurance for your son?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you have any information about Mr. Rodriguez's employment?
No, ma'am, I don't.
Did you have some type of indication that he might be being paid in cash?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. And so you don't really know how much he's currently making? Yes,
ma'am. I don't know.
What kind of work does he do?
I don't know. All I know is that he works with somebody else, and I'm assuming that he gets paid cash.
Okay. I'm sorry to interrupt, Ms. Neal. Go ahead.
And so, Ms. Jackson, we use the minimum wage presumption to determine the current child support in the amount of $223. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And does Mr. Rodriguez have any other children that are under age 18 that he has a court order duty to support or that live with him that are his children?
No, Your Honor. No, ma'am. I'm sorry.
That's fine. And are you also requesting a medical support reimbursement in the amount of $25 beginning December 1st?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your Honor, I don't have any further questions.
Anything else you want me to know, Ms. Jackson, that hasn't come up through the question and answer?
Oh, no, ma'am. Thank you very much. I appreciate y'all's help.
All right. Well, based on the testimony and evidence before me, then I'm granting the temporary orders and I'm granting the relief that you've requested. Ms. Neal will prepare that order for my signature and I will sign it. There's a period of 3 business days during which anybody could request a new hearing. If somebody does that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Vanderpool and he would start over and make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final. You should get a copy in about 2 weeks, either by email or regular mail. If you don't get one, call the AG's office in Amarillo and remind them to send you one.
Yes, Your Honor.
Look at a date at the beginning of next year, possibly, to do the final order. How far out do you think we ought to set it, Ms. Neal?
Your Honor, could we perhaps set it, is there a January setting? Or February?
I have January 4th, which is the first day that school is back in session after the holiday in some cases.
Okay. Would that be okay with you, Ms. Jackson?
Yes, ma'am, it will be.
All right. Then we will reset this for January 4th, 2022, and they will send you a new time and some directions on how to get in, just like you did today. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Jackson. Good luck to you and Abby, and we'll see you in January.
Okay. See you.
All right.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Well, Judge, I got voicemail and no voicemail set up.
Okay.
I did leave the information for Miss Martinez on the Jimenez case and instructed her that the court was waiting for her to appear on the voicemail, but I don't know, Your Honor, when or if she'll get that voicemail.
All right. Well, I'll leave it on for a little bit.